Hi, Gleek.io fans. This video will explore UML class diagram arrows. These arrows represent relationships and denote association, aggregation, composition, dependency, and inheritance. Open up the Gleek.io app. Select Class Diagram from the drop-down. Let's take a closer look at each of the arrows and how they function in UML class diagrams. We'll start with association. Association is the most basic of relationships and means any type of connection between classes. For example, we can show a direct link between a city bus and its riders by using an association line. There are several subtypes of association. Direct association indicates a strong relationship between classes. For example, a bowl might contain fruit. The bowl acts as a container class for the fruit class. Next, we can use aggregation to show that two classes are associated, but not as closely as in direct association. The child class can exist independently of the parent. For example, a book still exists if somebody checks it out from the library. Composition arrows are similar to aggregation with a key difference. It shows relationships where the sub-object exists only as long as the container class exists. For example, a pocket on the front of a shirt cannot exist if we destroy the shirt. Dependency arrows show us where two elements depend on each other, but in a less strong relationship than a basic association. Changes to the parent class will also affect the child class. Dependency shows a supplier-client type of relationship. Multiplicity indicates where a class might contain many or no items. For example, a city bus might have any number of passengers at a given time. People constantly get on and off as the bus moves through the streets. We use inheritance arrows to show that a child class inherits functionality from the parent class. For example, an avocado is a type of fruit. Fruit is the superclass. Avocado is the subclass. As you see, association arrows in UML class diagrams give development teams a flexible way of describing relationships between classes. And that's it. If you learned something new, hit the like button or subscribe for more videos. Happy diagramming!